Video number 7. WhatsApp Chats. Besides making phone calls, WhatsApp is an instant chatting application with which you can send text messages to other users who have installed the application via a device data plan or Wi-Fi network. To start a chat, you simply need to click the contact you want to chat with and start chatting. Suppose you are inside your chats area and somebody is writing to you. You would need to click on that contact to see what they are trying to tell you. They say hi to start a conversation with you and also ask you, "Where are you?" You would answer back by typing your message and clicking on the green icon to submit it. As you type, you can see if that person is online, typing, or if he or she has seen your messages. Now, back to the question of where are you? Something awesome you can do with WhatsApp is, rather than writing where you are, you can send your exact location. You can click the little attach icon located in the upper tab. Then, click on Location, and you will automatically see your location from Google Maps. You can just click on Send Your Current Location, and your contact will see exactly where you are. Of course, you could just tell them where you are by typing it, but I just wanted to show you this awesome WhatsApp function. Really cool, isn't it? WhatsApp has a lot of emoticons that you can add to your messages as well. There are 6 sections to choose from, left to right. In the first one, you will see all the emoticons mostly used in your conversations, so you can have them at hand for future chatting. In the second section, you will see all kinds of faces, hands, and body parts. In the third section, you will see really cool animals and flowers. In the fourth section, you will see objects of all kinds. In the fifth section, you will see more objects of all kinds. And in the sixth section, you will see numbers, arrows, and other symbols. If you want to take a picture and send it, just click the camera icon which is next to the chat box. Take the picture, add a caption, and send it. You can also send a photo from other places. You just click on the little attach icon, pick the image's source of your choice, pick the photo, add a caption, and send it. You can tell if your message has been read or received using the following signs. When the message is sending, a clock will appear on the right corner of the message. When the message is sent to the WhatsApp server but not yet to the recipient, one gray check will appear. When the WhatsApp server has sent the message to the recipient but has not yet been read, a double gray check will appear. A blue double check will appear once the message has been received and read by the recipient. You can even send videos to your contacts. With the video option, you can record the video and send it. Sending a video will take some more time to load. If you want to send audio, click on Audio and choose the sound recorder, choose a music track, or record with WhatsApp. If you choose to record with WhatsApp, just start recording, click on Stop when you're done, and click on Send. You can also share contacts in your chats. Click on Contacts. Choose the contact you want to share, and click on Send. In the 3 dots icon of the active window, you will be able to set up additional things like View Contact, Media, Search, Wallpaper, and more. If you want to see the profile of the person you are chatting with, you can click on the View Contact. You will see his name identifier, profile picture, status, media, and notification settings. In the 3 dots icon of this area, you will have 2 more options: View in Address Book and Pay For, which means you decide to pay the WhatsApp subscription for the contact you are chatting with. By clicking on the main 3 dots icon for the chat section, you will see additional settings, especially for the chats function itself. Things like new groups, new broadcast, WhatsApp web, starred messages, status, and settings. I want to remind you that this Settings tab and the Status tab are exactly the same for all 3 main tabs: Calls, Chats, and Contacts. And if that is something you have already set up, it is not necessary to go there again. Okay, awesome. Now, here finally comes the amazing WhatsApp feature called WhatsApp Groups. The WhatsApp Group Chat feature lets you chat with up to 100 people at once. It is a great way to stay in touch with your family, friends, and colleagues. In addition to the maximum number of people you can add to a group, there are a few more things to keep in mind about group chat. You may create an unlimited number of groups. Each group can have one or more admins. Only admins can add and remove participants. Only admins can make other participants admins. If the last admin leaves the group, a new admin will be randomly assigned. You can always control your own participation in a group chat by staying in or leaving the group when you wish. Remember that only group admins have the ability to add participants. If you have any questions about being added to a group or prefer not to be added, please speak to a group admin. If you have blocked a contact, you will still receive messages this contact sends into any group you have in common. Likewise, they will still receive messages you send to those groups. To create a group, you just need to provide a group subject and optional group icon. Then click on Next. Then you will be able to add participants into your group. You can put the name in the Search tab or add them one by one. You can add up to 100 participants and click on Done. Then click on Create and voila! You have created a group. Your group will appear in your list of chats in which you have already been involved. Taking a look at the group setting, you will be able to see the group info, group media, search, mute, and wallpaper. The wallpaper is the background image of the group chatting interface. You can change it if you want. This little microphone icon right here is used to record your voice and send voice messages as well. You can also send emoticons in your group chatting. Going back to the main chatting tab, there is the broadcast function, which is an amazing function too. A broadcast list allows you to create, save, and message a list of contacts instantaneously. Recipients receive your broadcast message like a regular message, directly in the individual chat. Recipients also do not know who else received the message, and do not know that it was sent as part of a broadcast list. When they respond, they only respond to you individually. In this sense, it works like the BCC, blind carbon copy function of an email. In order for specific contacts to receive your broadcast message, they must have your phone number saved in their address books. This allows users to control from whom they wish to receive broadcast messages. Now comes the WhatsApp web function, which is so awesome, but we will cover that in the next section of this training. After the WhatsApp web function comes the starred message function. This function consists of the ability to bookmark or save the most important messages into the starred message section of WhatsApp. You just need to select the important messages of your choice inside the chat box. You then will see several options for what you can do with that message. The first one will be to star that message. The second one is to delete the message. The third one will be to copy the message, and the last one will be to forward the message to another contact or group. Well, now you are 100% skilled on how to use the WhatsApp's chats section.